what?
Say what?
Say what?
Stop!
Hello, world.
I'm actually so confident it's ridiculous. Loser! You really thought you was gonna get me again, huh? No way I don't have a red or a 5. Just give me something quick. Something quick! Something quick! Something quick! Something! No way I gotta launch. Oh man, what is this, dude?
I'm still here. You're more resilient than I anticipated.
Thank you.
But don't harbor any illusions. That was merely a warm. I wanted you to waste some time before realizing your ineptitude. The real game starts.
Bro, pay him up, man! Oh my god. I'm getting off this game. This game sucks so bad. This game sucks. Call me crazy, but I'm risking it. I just saw the future. I just saw the no way. They need to study my brain. I just saw the future. This is a blank. This is a blank round. I just saw the future. Yo, I'm never beating the allegations. It's GG. Chad, it's GG. Yeah, come over here. Yeah, you pulling up like you all confident. Now you got hit from the back. Cause you suck! Him! Him! Okay, I like how the blaze is just hitting me. And I like how I get blasted off the map with one hit. What is that? This sucks. What? I hate this game and everything about it. This is the worst game I've ever played in my life. No. I am suing the developers. I hate everything. I hate everybody. There's legitimately no way that I got hit with that before I tell them. It's a hoodie! Yo! What does it say?
He says.
Go! What did I just do?
Everything is riding on these answers. They don't come any closer than that.
What are you doing? Yo, my monitor's on the floor again! Bro! Oh my goodness. This box is unbelievably heavy. Listen. So you're telling me I gained 321 pounds and I'm still not heavy enough to get into the room, and it says please step on with both feet, not one? Are we serious?
We're all in for this one. Winner takes all.
Good stream. I'm about to get butt naked, run out into the woods, and die and be found 3 years later. Good stream. Pay him up. They didn't let me. You thought! Let's go. I didn't get the lock. I'm out of stamina. You can't be serious. You can't be serious. You're kidding! You're actually kidding me! What is that? Well, somebody's about to get sick. GG. Are you actually... Hufflepuff! I told y'all! I'm not your average Huffle! I told you! I'm not your average Hufflepuff! Sit down before I put my finger in your belly button? Yo, what is wrong with you? You can repair that bow. Why? I didn't want the bow! That bow sucks! You could even get one can of food, nothing. Not even half a can of food, huh, Ted? Huh, Ted? What is this character?
Red team.
Ah! Blue, please, please. You gotta go. Lock in. I'm dead to Bonnie. What's good, Valky?
Iron Mouse broke the sub record for females with 200.
What?
Our survey says, friend. You've blown it.
Ah! Ah! This game is terrible!
Well, what did our survey say?
Oh, I cooked.
Just one of those answers scored some points. Myself. That would have been the best answer.
I said we're saying no. There's no way he only drew one card. What? She got magic too. Can I get my souls? No. Okay. Thank you. I deserve it. I deserve it. I've been a bad boy. Keep spanking me, Rolalo. Keep spanking me. Love it, man. You know what never fails? Sheer perseverance and determination to not lose. And we just keep going until he dies. Oh my God. What? Let's go. Watch out, watch out, watch out! See you, idiot. Good stream. I'm going to eat some Wendy's.